How to fix TikTok's no internet connection issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix TikTok's no internet connection problem. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if TikTok actually says no internet connection, you might just want to check your internet connection just in case, because sometimes the issue could also be with your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, do the vice versa, or simply try to switch to Wi-Fi. If you also have some other Wi-Fi networks available, I would recommend you just simply try to switch to those Wi-Fis. Now if that doesn't help, then I want you to open up settings, and then you want to go to the option called general. Once you go to general, go to iPhone storage, and once you go to iPhone storage, just go ahead and look for TikTok, then tap on the Offload App button, then tap on Offload over here. So once you tap on Offload, just try to reinstall the app by tapping on the reinstall option, and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If that doesn't help solve your problem, then open up your app store, and then in the search box just type in TikTok. Check if the TikTok app has an update. So if it does have an update, then definitely make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version, because what updating does is it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.